To utilize the money you've received through PayPal, you can use it to purchase goods and services online from various vendors, such as Netflix and Amazon, that accept PayPal. To do so, start by going to the PayPal website or launching the PayPal app on your phone. Sign into your account and link your PayPal account to your digital wallet, similar to a debit or credit card. Then, visit the website you wish to make a purchase from. Select the items you want and add them to your cart. Proceed to checkout and click the PayPal button in the payment section to complete the transaction. As usual, additionally, you can also use your PayPal balance to make in-store purchases by going to your account settings, selecting the payments option, and enabling the in-store purchases feature. By following these steps, you can easily use your PayPal balance to make purchases online and in-store.